अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और जितने होंगे खुशबाश होंगे। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है थीव सिक्योरिटी अलार्म इन डिटेल। अगर आप भी हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोज़ के अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। Thirf security alarm, also known as burglar alarm or intrusion detection system, are designed to detect unauthorized entry into a building or area and alert the property owner or authorities to the breach. These systems are crucial for protecting residential, commercial, and industrial properties from theft, vandalism, and other security threats. Here are a detailed breakdown of theft security alarms. First is basic component. Control panel. The central hub of the alarm system, the control panel connects all the sensors and devices. It processes signals from the sensor and triggers the alarm when a breach is detected. Sensor. Door window sensor. These are magnetic sensors placed on door and window. When the door window is open, the magnetic circuit is broken, triggering the alarm. Motion detector. This sensor detects movement within a specified area. They can use various technologies such as infrared, ultrasonic, or microwave to sense motion. Glass break detectors. These sensors detect the sound or vibration of breaking glass, which is often a sign of forced entry. Shock sensors. This detects vibration when impact caused by force and trigger time such as braking or door window alarm devices. Sirens, lounge sirens, or alarms are designed to scare off, enter, and alert people the vicinity of a potential break-in. Strobe lights, often used in conjunction with sirens, strobe lights provide a visual indication of an alarm, useful in noisy environments of hearing impaired individuals. Communication devices. Dealers. Automatic dialers can contact a list of pre-programmed phone numbers like the property owner or security company when the alarm is triggered. Monitoring services. Many systems are connected to a professional monitoring services that can detect authorities in case of an alarm keypad. These are used to arm or disarm the system, typically installed near entry point for easy access. Second point is type of safe security alarms. Wired alarm. System use physical wires to connect all components to the control panel. They are reliable but can be more challenging and expensive to install, especially in existing buildings. Wireless alarms.